Hola a todos. So real quickly, here's one video for you to explain again present tense, the stem change verbs. They only stem change, these verbs only stem change in the present tense. We're talking about in the present tense. So if you remember, what are present tense stem changing verbs? Well, think about a verb. A verb in Spanish is made of two parts, remember? You have the stem, and then you have the ending, the blossom, right? So you have the stem, and then you have the ending. These are blossoms, petals, whatever, and they fall off. Here, if we look at this example, like here is the actual word in Spanish, querer means to want, and the purple, you can see the purple, Q-U-E-R, is the stem. Notice the color purple is the same as the stem. And then ER is your ending. Right? So stem changing verbs are often called boot verbs. And the reason for that is it's only in the shape of the boot where you'll have the forms that do change. So it goes from an E to an IE. Okay, so notice the endings are still the exact same, right? The O is A, almost A is N, right? Your E, this is for querer, happens to be a ER ending verb. So how do we do it? How do we conjugate? So how to do it is step one is you drop your ER off the end of a verb. That's how we conjugate, right? You drop your ER, and if it is the nosotros or the vosotros form, you just add your EMOS. If it's nosotros, it's EMOS. It's vosotros, so of course it would be the EIS, right? Step two is if you are doing it in the any of the boot shape, any of the boot forms, you would add an I. So you had an IE for, and then the O ending would add, or the ES or the E or the EN. So you would have quiero, quieres, quiere, or quieren. So here are some examples. These are all verbs that would have a stem change from E to IE. So you have quiero, which is I want or to want. Pensar is to think or to plan. Preferir is to prefer. Cerrar is to close. Divertir is to have fun or to have fun. And empezar is to begin. So if there are two similar letters, we don't have entender on here, but if we have two E's, say in the stem, right, empezar or preferir is the second one that changes. All right, so for E to I again, you are adding the I in front of the E vowel. All right, we'll look at one more video to practice some more.